Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a pet profile on the Amazon.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then you should tap on this account and list button at the top. Tap on account, scroll down to this shopping programs and rentals section in the middle of the screen and tap on pet profiles. Here you should select your pet type, tap on it, then type in the name of your pet, tap on the button next, select your pet's breed and choose a breed. You can also use the search bar and tap on next. Select the age of your dog or your pet, add the additional information if you want to, such as its weight, gender, favorite food brand, dietary preferences and so on, and then click on the finish button to finalize the process of creating your pet's profile. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.